Hello, this presentation is going to take you through myTUTor orientation. It is specifically for you students who are registered in Adelaide Tambo School of Nursing. I am your presenter, Dr. Sibongile Mnisi. First of all, let me say welcome to TUT, and this is where your future begins. You have chosen your career and wishing you all the best in 2019. Let me start by welcoming you to TUT and say this is where your future begins and wishing you all the best. First, let me welcome you at TUT and say this is where your future begins, wishing you all the best in 2019. First, let me say welcome to TUT and this is where your future begins and wishing you all the best in 2019. Blah 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 blah. First, let me welcome you at TUT and say this is where your future begins. First, let me welcome you at TUT and say this is where your future begins. Wishing you all the best in 2019. By the end of this presentation, you should be able to explain what myTUTor is, follow how to access and log on to myTUTor, select the subject you are registered for, identify various tools available on myTUTor, be aware of myTUTor service desk. The service desk will help you whenever you encounter problems with myTUTor. Use your own mobile device to download various technology tools available for you. You will ask yourself, what is myTUTor? myTUTor is nothing else but an online study system or a learning management system. It is used by lecturer and you, the students. Lecturers, they facilitate online and students learn online. myTUTor is also accessible on mobile devices. How do you then access myTUTor? To access myTUTor, you'll need the internet. You have to open the web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. On the address bar on your web browser, you will type in mytutor.tut.ac.za. You can download the Blackboard app for students on your mobile devices. It is available on the Play Store. Once you have downloaded it, the system will ask you for the school name. Then you can type in Tshwane University of Technology. Once we have typed in the address bar, the system will open the login page. On the login page, on the username, type in your student number. The password, you should have created it on TUT for Life. If you have not created your password, here at the bottom, click on TUT for Life and activate your password. Your password works in myTUTor, EduROM, email, to download Windows 365, and to access your library computers. These are all the places that you're going to use your password, and your password is the same. Once you have typed in the address on the web browser, the system will open the login page. On the login page, your username is your student number. Your password, you should have created it, activated it on TUT for Life. If you haven't, here at the bottom of the screen where it says how to access myTUTor and change your password, follow the instructions and activate your password. Once you have activated your password, type in the password and click on log on. Remember, your password is the same as the one for EduROM, your email, Windows to download Windows 365, to access TUT library, and myTUTor. After you have clicked on login, the system will open the list of subjects you are registered for. On the list of subjects, you have to select the subject that you want to access. In this case, we're going to access ONS 40PT, Oncology Nursing Science Theory 4. After you have selected the subject, we want to know what is on myTUTor. This is where we're going to expose you to different tools that are available in your course. The first page to open is the welcome page. The welcome page welcomes you to the online course. To navigate to this course, you will use the link on the left menu. When you are stuck, you have to click on course tips. You'll also get started with how to use the course. Below is the lecturer's information who teaches the subject. The second button on the menu is the course update. On the home page, it opens my announcement, what's new, and the alerts. On the announcement, whenever there's an announcement that is posted, it will show on this page. If there is anything that is new that the lecturer is going to post on the course, it will also show on this page. The next button is the course tips. When you click on course tips, it opens the page course tips. And on this course tips, there are various tips available for you students to use the course. First one is how to activate TUT for Life, how to access educational technology resource book, how to navigate myTUTor, how to upload assignment, how to do test. Please make use of this whenever you need help with anything on myTUTor before you could contact the service desk. When you click here to activate your email, it will open this page, and this page shows you how to set up your account, your TUT for Life email. It is important to activate your TUT email because any announcements and activities that are posted on myTUTor, they are sent to your email. Also, activate the TUT email on your mobile technologies. Another example on the course tip is the Educational Technology Resource Book. If you click on it, it will open this book. This book is important for you student to know how to activate all the technologies that are available for you to use at TUT. Going back to the menu, our next button is about this course. If you click on it, it opens about this course page. On this page, you will see the purpose statement, the module outcomes, the assessment plan or assessment criteria, and a lot. Please read the statements on this page to be familiar with what is expected from you as a student in this course. We move on to the button Study Guide. When you click on Study Guide, it opens Study Guide page. When you click on the attachment OS and Study Guide, note that the Study Guide sits on the taskbar. Click on the taskbar to open the Study Guide. This page shows the study guide that you have downloaded on myTUTor. You can save the study guide on your memory stick or on your desktop, but remember that any changes that you make on the study guide you need to save. If you make changes and then close the study guide, it will revert back to a normal document. Only the lecturer has the right to change the study guide. The next button after the study guide is content. If you click on content, it opens content page. Please note the content that is available for you. If you click on the content, it will open that particular content that you have selected. On the content page, I have opened Introduction to Palliative Care. And here it says attach file. I've clicked on the attach file. Every time you click on the attach file, please note the attach file will sit on the taskbar. In this case, it's a PowerPoint presentation. When you click on the taskbar, it will open the PowerPoint presentation. You remember to save the PowerPoint on your memory stick or on your desktop because you have downloaded the PowerPoint to study on your own time. Now I went back to the content page to select another content. This time I am going to choose nursing the patient with cancer. When I click on that page, it opens breast cancer. In this case, I want to open breast cancer self-exam 1. The example, note that this is a picture of the example of the breast cancer. Because I have selected the link of breast self-exam 1, it then opens this image of breast self-exam. Now let's go back to the menu, and this time we're going to select assessments. If you click on assessment on the menu, it opens the assessment page. Note that you've got exercises, assignments, and tests on this page. Please note I have opened exercises folder. In this folder, there are different files. I am going to click on pain exercises. When I click on pain exercises, it will open the case study and put it on the taskbar. I have opened the assignment folder on the assessment menu. In this case, note the assignments that are available for you. When you click on the attached file, remember that every time the file will sit on the taskbar, you have to click on that name of that file to open it in order for you to do the assignment. Going back to the menu bar, I have selected Communication Tool. It opens the communication page. On the communication page, I have 3 tools: the announcements, the email, and the calendar. I am going to show you the announcement. When I click on the announcement tool, it opens the announcements that are posted by the lecturer. Remember, this announcement will also show on the course update. Always pay attention to the course update. All the announcement will be posted there. For each and every announcement posted on the course, it is automatically linked to your email. That is why it is important for you to activate your email on your mobile phone or on your any other mobile device. Now let's recap on the outcomes of this presentation. I hope that you have managed to explain to you what myTUTor is, and you will be able to access and log on to myTUTor using your student number. You'll also be able to select the subject that you are registered for. Remember, on the list of subjects, myTUTor opens one subject at a time. I have identified various tools that are available in the course, and I hope that you will be able to make use of the tools. And I have also shown you the myTUTor service desk. Whenever you encounter problems with myTUTor, please don't hesitate. Contact myTUTor service desk. Now we're going to move on to the last session of the presentation, which is to use your own mobile devices and download the technologies that are available for you at TUT. At TUT, we promote bring your own device. We allow you to make use of your mobile devices on campus. There are various hotspot places that are available for you to access Wi-Fi in order to access the internet using your devices. I am going to show you some of the tools that are available for you. Remember, you have activated your password, and with your password you can use 5 different tools: EduROM, myTUTor, email, Windows 365, and TUT computers. Now, in this page, there are apps that you can download on your device, on your mobile device. Please make sure that you download these devices. They are available for you for free. You also have a OneDrive space where you can save all your work on cloud. Remember, we discussed the myTUTor app, the one with the orange background and the pencil. You have to download that app on your mobile devices. This app keeps you informed with all the activities that are posted by the lecturers on myTUTor. I hope you will be able to access and make use of myTUTor to benefit you to get the content wherever you are, because the system is available 24/7. Thank you for listening to this presentation. I hope you have learned a lot about how to access myTUTor, and you will be able to access myTUTor and the different technologies that are available for you. Please remember that it is not about the technology. It's about sharing knowledge and information, communicating efficiently, building learning communities, and creating a culture of professionalism at a university.